Hello everyone, and welcome back to Green Recept. It is so wonderful to have you here with me in my kitchen today. We're about to embark on a culinary adventure that's not just about creating mouth-watering meals, but also about nourishing our bodies and achieving our health goals. I know so many of us are looking for ways to feel lighter, more energized, more confident. The journey to a healthier you doesn't have to be about deprivation or boring salads. It can be filled with vibrant colors, incredible flavors, and dishes that leave you feeling genuinely satisfied and happy. That's exactly what we're focusing on today, with a superfood that is often overlooked. Today, I am absolutely thrilled to share something very special with all of you. We are going to dive deep into the world of cabbage, a humble vegetable with some truly extraordinary powers. I'll be showing you two of my all-time favorite cabbage recipes that are absolute game changers for anyone looking to shed a few pounds, especially that stubborn belly fat. These dishes are designed to be low in calories, exceptionally high in flavor, and exceptionally high in nutrients. When you fuel your body with wholesome, nutrient-dense ingredients, you'll feel lighter, your energy levels will soar, and you'll have a spring in your step. And because I love sharing all my secrets with you, make sure you stick around until the very end. I have some extra special tips waiting for you on how to use cabbage for a full-body detox and for sustainable, long-term weight loss success. So, are you ready? Let's get cooking. All right, let's dive right into our first recipe, the cabbage and carrot skillet. Before we start cooking, let's take a closer look at the beautiful, fresh ingredients. First, our star, green cabbage. Cabbage is low in calories and high in fiber. It helps you feel full and adds bulk without weighing you down. Next, 2 medium carrots. Carrots are packed with beta-carotene, good for your skin and eyes. Their natural sweetness balances the cabbage. Then we have 3 large eggs. Eggs are an absolute powerhouse of nutrition and an incredible source of high-quality protein. And plain yogurt. Yogurt is famous for its probiotics, which are the friendly bacteria that support a healthy gut. We'll also use a juicy tomato for freshness, green onions for a savory bite, and a pinch of salt to make all the flavors pop. And our secret for a creamy texture, a single tablespoon of flour. It acts as a thickener, creating a silky, velvety consistency. This combination is fantastic for digestion and weight loss. The fiber from the vegetables and the probiotics from the yogurt work in synergy to reduce bloating and support a healthy gut microbiome. The protein from the eggs keeps you full and energized, preventing cravings. It's a perfectly balanced meal that works with your body. Step 1. Let's start cooking. Heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Add your shredded cabbage and carrots. We'll sauté these for 5 to 7 minutes. This gentle cooking makes the vegetables sweeter and easier to digest. Step 2. Now add the chopped onion and fry for another 2 minutes until it becomes translucent and fragrant. Look at that beautiful color change. Step 3. Time to add the diced tomato, green onion, and a pinch of salt. Mix everything together slowly. In a separate bowl, whisk together the eggs, yogurt, and flour until you have a smooth mixture. Step 4. Pour this mixture into the skillet and stir well. This is what creates that wonderfully creamy texture without using heavy cream. Step 5. Cover the skillet and let it cook on low heat for about 10 minutes. While that's cooking, remember the benefits of cabbage. It's a natural appetite suppressant and incredibly low in calories, perfect for fat loss. Step 6, and look at that. The result is a beautiful, golden, and fragrant skillet. Very tasty and super healthy. Now let's move on to recipe 2, the cheesy cabbage and carrot frittata. This one is perfect if you want something light but also satisfying with a little cheese flavor. For this, you'll need cabbage, onion, carrot, parsley, eggs, flour, and of course, some delicious cheese. And here's a health tip. Adding a little cheese gives incredible flavor, and you can still keep it healthy if you use it in moderation. It's all about balance. Step 1. Let's begin by lightly frying the onion and carrot in our skillet until they're soft and aromatic. Step 2. Now add the shredded cabbage, salt, and fresh parsley. Did you know parsley is a natural diuretic? It helps reduce water retention, making you feel less bloated. Step 3. In a separate bowl, beat your eggs, then add the flour and shredded cheese. The protein in the eggs is crucial for weight loss as it builds muscle and keeps you feeling full. Step 4. Pour this gorgeous mixture into the pan. Now cover it and let it cook slowly on low heat. Here's another tip. Cooking on low heat is a fantastic way to keep more of the vitamins inside your vegetables. Step 5. Once the bottom is set, it's time for the flip. Use a plate to help you turn it over, then let it finish cooking for a few more minutes. And there it is. Crispy on the outside, fluffy on the inside. So cheesy, light, and healthy. Try eating these cabbage dishes for dinner or lunch 2-3 times per week. They are low in calories, keep you full, and support weight loss. Remember, cabbage is great for detox, improves digestion, and helps your body feel lighter. Both recipes are very easy, tasty, and perfect for weight loss and healthy living. Which one will you try first? The yogurt skillet or the cheesy frittata? Comment below and let me know. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Green Recept for more delicious, healthy recipes. Happy cooking!